Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to reset Facebook password on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app. Tap on the menu. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on See More Account Center. Here you will get a password and security option. Tap on it and tap on Change Password option. Select Account and you will get in the password changing interface. Now enter your current password and new password, and at last, tap on the Change Password and your password will be changed. So this is the way you can change your Facebook password on your iPhone or Android. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.